This week, we have begun working on Module 3, which explores Microsoft Word. According to the course syllabus, you should try to complete Word Section 1 and Section 2 this week. Quiz 2, which is on Microsoft Word, includes content from Word Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3. So you'll want to make sure that you have completed those 3 sections before Quiz 2. Check your course syllabus and D2L to see when Quiz 2 occurs. Right now I am looking at the ebook version of our textbook. The learning activities in D2L will direct you to the ebook. However, if you have a hard copy book, you are welcome to use that as well. If you purchased a hard copy book, you'll notice that your textbook and your workbook are 2 separate books. If you purchased them new, you would have also received an access code, which would give you access to the ebook. In the ebook, the textbook and workbook activities are all in the one book. So when you click on your table of contents, we can see that there are workbook sections. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you download the textbook data files so that you can complete the activities. You can download the data files in the workbook, or you can also access them in D2L in the Learner Resources and Frequently Asked Questions section of our course. In the activities in the textbook will outline step by step how to complete functions in Word. However, if you click on the little orange link that is on some of the pages, you can open up tutorials that will demonstrate the steps for you as well. This is a good way to see the steps in action. Also in D2L and on the course syllabus, you'll notice that in Module 3 we have Practice 1 Access. All of the assignments in this course are timed, and in order to access them, you have to submit to an access Dropbox, which will then give you access to the actual assignment. So before we do an assignment for grades, we want you to practice that process through these practice access. Please make sure that you are doing these. There are 2 of them before we do the first assignment on Word in a few weeks. These practice activities are not for marks, but they are showing that you understand how you would access the assignments for when the time comes, and it relieves some of the anxiety when you are doing an actual assignment because you will already know what the process is for accessing them. I'm going to post a video in the news items that outlines the process for accessing assignments in the Dropbox separately from this video. As you work on assignment 1, on the Word module, please let me know if you have any questions about any of the functions that you're learning about.